Welcome to the Lay's factory process. Witness how fresh ingredients arrive in carefully managed potato farms, where workers harvest and select quality potatoes for processing.
At the collection center, every potato is carefully inspected, graded, and recorded before entering the production facility.
Once approved, potatoes are securely transported under controlled conditions from the collection center to the processing factory.
After arriving at the factory, potatoes are carefully received, recorded, and prepared for processing under strict hygiene and quality controls.
Inside the factory, powerful washing systems and trained workers remove all dirt, ensuring potato. After washing, powerful peeling machines and skilled workers remove potato skins efficiently. Peeled potatoes are sliced uniformly by high-precision machines, with workers monitoring every chip to maintain consistent quality. Blanching softens potato slices and removes excess starch, with machines and workers ensuring every chip is ready for perfect frying. Continuous frying in the oil bath system guarantees consistent quality and texture for every chip.
Our state-of-the-art Ranchot seasoning line ensures that every single chip is evenly coated. As you can see, the process.
After seasoning, every chip is carefully inspected by skilled workers and automated sensors to ensure consistent quality before moving forward.
After frying and seasoning, chips pass through dewatering conveyors, where machines and workers remove excess oil, ensuring
Chips are sorted and graded by size using vibratory conveyors, where machines and workers ensure uniformity for consistent quality.
Chips pass through powerful air drying and cooling conveyors, where machines and workers remove excess oil and moisture to prepare them for the next stage. Chips pass through metal detectors, where machines and workers ensure no foreign objects remain, maintaining the highest safety standards.
Before packaging, every chip undergoes a final visual inspection and random sampling, where workers and machines ensure top quality and consistency.
Each batch of chips is carefully weighed and labeled, with machines and workers ensuring accurate weight and clear identification for quality control.
Random samples are tested for flavor consistency, where machines and workers ensure every batch of chips meets the highest taste standards. Fully inspected and labeled chip batches move smoothly along conveyors, where machines and workers prepare them for efficient and accurate packaging. Supervisors and workers perform random quality audits, ensuring each batch of chips meets the factory's strict standards before packaging. Every chip undergoes a final crispiness and texture check, where machines and workers ensure perfect crunch and quality before packaging.
Seasoning is carefully adjusted, where machines and works ensure each chip batch receives perfect flavor and even coating.
Chips pass through automated spice mixing and dispensing, where machines and workers ensure each batch is perfectly seasoned.
Chips tumble inside rotary seasoning drums, where machines and works ensure even coating and perfect flavor in every batch.
Chips travel along vibratory conveyors toward packaging, where machines and workers ensure smooth flow and maintain quality for the next stage.
Chips enter automated bagging machines, where workers and machines ensure each bag is accurately filled, sealed, and ready for final packaging. Each bag is carefully weighed and inspected, where machines and workers ensure correct weight, proper sealing, and
Bags are aligned and stacked carefully, where machines and workers ensure each pallet is orderly, stable, and ready for the next stage.
Stacks of chip bags are stabilized and inspected, where machines and workers ensure safety, stability, and proper preparation for transport. Each pallet undergoes a final check, where workers and machines ensure stability, proper packaging, and readiness for loading and shipment. Forklifts transfer inspected pallets to the loading bay, where workers and machines ensure safe, organized, and efficient movement of chip batches.
Pallets are organized and sorted in the loading bay, where workers and machines ensure proper placement, stability, and readiness for transport.
Pallets are prepared for truck loading, where workers and machines verify batch details, ensure stability, and organize pallets for smooth transport. Chips fry in hot oil, where machines and workers monitor temperature, timing, and color to ensure perfect crispiness and quality in every batch. Freshly fried chips pass through oil-draining conveyors, where workers and machines remove excess oil and prepare each batch for seasoning and cooling.
Each batch of chips undergoes a final quality check, where workers and machines ensure uniform size.
workers carefully sample chips from each batch and record key quality metrics, ensuring traceability, consistency.
Chips pass through temperature-controlled drying tunnels, where machines and workers ensure optimal moisture removal for perfect crispiness and texture.
Chips tumble in rotating drums, where machines and workers ensure even seasoning and perfect coating for consistent taste and appearance.
This is the final batch inspection and metric recording stage. The stainless steel conveyors carry the fully...
Chips pass through flavor infusion machines, where workers and machines ensure even coating, consistent flavor, and final quality before packaging. Defective chips are carefully removed and sent for rework, ensuring that only high-quality, perfectly seasoned and crispy chips continue to the...
Chips undergo a final visual inspection and are carefully guided along conveyors, ensuring only high-quality batches proceed smoothly to the packaging line. Workers monitor chip flow and sensor readings, ensuring smooth, uninterrupted movement toward packaging while maintaining high quality and consistency. Workers monitor chip flow and sensor readings, ensuring smooth, uninterrupted movement toward packaging while maintaining high quality and consistency. Workers perform final alignment, ensuring chips are evenly distributed and flow smoothly into packaging machines for flawless packing. Clean. Each packaged batch undergoes a final inspection, where workers and machines verify seal integrity, label. Chips enter automated packaging machines, where workers and machines ensure accurate filling and proper sealing for consistent, high-quality packs. Workers arrange Lay's packets into trays, ensuring proper stacking, count accuracy, and safe preparation for boxing. Workers open and position official Lay's packing boxes, ensuring strength, hygiene, and brand accuracy before packet filling begins.
Workers carefully place Lay's packets into official Lay's boxes, ensuring correct count, perfect alignment, and clear brand visibility.
Every Lay's box is carefully checked for weight, packet count, and seal quality before moving forward in the packing process.
Automated machines seal every Lay's box using official branded tape, ensuring safety, consistency, and tamper protection.
Each sealed Lay's box is printed with a batch number and production date, ensuring full traceability and strict quality control.
Official Lay's labels are applied to each box, ensuring brand authenticity, accurate batch details, and tamper-proof sealing.
Every labeled Lay's box undergoes a final visual inspection, ensuring perfect alignment, brand integrity, and flawless packaging before palletizing.
Workers carefully stack Lay's boxes on the conveyor, ensuring perfect alignment, stability, and brand visibility before palletizing. Pallets are prepared carefully with protective sheets and proper alignment, ready to receive stacked Lay's boxes for safe transportation.
Workers carefully place the first layer of Lay's boxes onto prepared pallets, ensuring perfect alignment, stability, and brand visibility.
Workers carefully stack the second layer of Lay's boxes on each pallet, maintaining perfect alignment.
Workers stack the third layer of Lay's boxes, ensuring perfect alignment, stability, and clear brand visibility for safe and efficient palletizing.
Workers carefully place the fourth and final layer of Lay's boxes, ensuring perfectly stacked, stable.
Each fully stacked pallet of Lay's boxes is carefully stretch-wrapped, ensuring stability, protection, and full...
Each pallet is labeled with batch and production information, along with transport markings, ensuring proper identification.
Forklifts carefully move fully stacked Lay's pallets to the staging area, ensuring stability, label visibility.
Each stacked pallet of Lay's boxes is carefully verified in the staging area, ensuring stability, label visibility.
Verified Lay's pallets are carefully loaded onto trucks, ensuring stability, safety, and full brand visibility for efficient transportation.
Fully verified Lay's pallets are carefully loaded onto delivery trucks, ensuring safe, stable transport with all branding and labels clearly visible.
Supervisors perform a final inspection of Lay's pallets, ensuring stability, alignment, and clear labeling before dispatch.
Workers secure truck doors and perform final safety checks, ensuring Lay's pallets are protected and ready for safe transport. Workers finalize shipping documents, ensuring each Lay's pallet is accurately recorded for safe and traceable delivery. Workers finalize shipping documents, ensuring each Lay's pallet is accurately recorded for safe and traceable delivery.
The fully loaded trucks are beginning their departure. Thanks to our diligent team and stringent quality controls,
Fully loaded Lay's trucks move safely from the factory to the distribution center, maintaining stability, labeling, and tracking for efficient delivery.
Lay's trucks arrive at the distribution center with pallets fully intact, labeled, and ready for safe unloading and distribution. Forklifts carefully unload Lay's pallets at the distribution center, ensuring stability, label visibility, and organized storage for distribution. The final shipment of Lay's pallets is completed, with all trucks dispatched, pallets verified, and the distribution process successfully concluded. Lay's pallets are carefully organized in the distribution center, ensuring accurate labeling, stable placement, and readiness for local delivery.
Thank you for watching the journey from raw materials to finished Lay's products. Don't miss out on more incredible factory process videos.